Got an elevator at the Longo store in Applewood in Mississauga, Ontario. This is a reminder of former student work here, working at this store. Go to. This reminds of Michaela works in this store. They're your fixtures. They're Otis HydroFit 1. Door closed one does not work. Carvio. This is at Applewood Longo's here in Mississauga, Ontario. We'll see what happens with this entrance. Because I heard it works. Yep. Go one more time. Got an Otis elevator. HydroFit. Epic motor here. These doors are slow. They're pretty basic elevator. These elevator has great motor on these. When doors open, I'm already ending it. I remember Julia used to work there, but I don't think they work there anymore. Here we are in G Industrial.